Hi, I'm Hope Lawrence, a product solutions expert here at Dell. Data centers often encounter increases in data usage, sometimes rapid, sometimes over the years, which is bottlenecked by storage technology consisting of hard drives. This is kind of like trying to drink from a water bottle through a pinhole. That's why Dell has created an SSD caching system called Fluid Cache that lets you take the cap off, so to speak. What about writing data? Fluid Cache speeds up your app there too. Let me explain how, using another analogy. Say you have to fill a 100-gallon drum with water. This is divided into 20 tanks that have 5 gallons of capacity and can receive 1 gallon per minute. Simply calculating, the total time to fill the drum will be 100 minutes. What Dell does with Fluid Cache is add another layer of reservoirs. For our example, 4 of them. These reservoirs act as one big 20-gallon container with incredibly fast flow rate. Let's say 80 gallons per minute. This means the fire hose can fill up the reservoirs in 15 seconds. These reservoirs then let the fire hose go fill up another tank while they're draining. This means that even though the reservoirs still have to trickle down into the drum, from the perspective of the fire hose, it takes a little over a minute to fill the entire 100-gallon drum. If you haven't figured it out already, the drums are your storage volume, the tanks are your set of rotating hard drives, and the reservoirs are actually PCIe SSDs, which combined makes the big container we just talked about. Naturally, this makes the fire hose your application that is writing the data. The difference between non-flash cache versus flash cache can be as much as 50 times. If you did this, you would see an improvement in flow rate, much like this chart here. This is actually the accelerated IOPS gained when using Fluid Cache with multiple users. All you need to set up Fluid Cache are some PCIe SSDs. If you already have the hardware, Dell can provide the software. For managing your Fluid Cache solution, your admins will not need to learn any new software. They can simply use Dell Open Managed Software or CLI to configure and manage your Fluid Cache solution. When it comes to random data I/O operations, Fluid Cache can help to greatly speed up your read operations, and unlike most other SSD caching solutions, can greatly accelerate write speeds as well. You can see increases in application performance up to 50 times. And Fluid Cache can continue to scale with your solution for the next 3 to 5 years. When compared to other high-speed storage options, a Fluid Cache solution can cost as little as 1/3 the initial investment. In the timeline of a data center, this is a small investment with a long life of benefits. And you can have peace of mind knowing Dell has gone above and beyond to ensure data in cache flight is protected. If you would like to know more about how beneficial Fluid Cache can be for your data center, contact your local Dell representative or visit Dell.com.